Before we wrap up today, we want to share with you something we refer to as the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got, Bryan?
So I'm going really camera nerdy again.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
I went to
by the way, Bryan did wear this like neck cell phone camera thing.
Yeah.
Didn't last long.
Well, because you couldn't see past the camera. Anyway, so I went to the camera store this weekend. I sold it all for about $3,300, but I bought it all for like 10 grand over the years. So I sold a bunch of my stuff, bought a few more things as we go. But this I'm really excited about. This is my newest, smallest, cheapest lens that I own. I sold a $1,500 lens to buy a $200 lens.
Looks like my Nikon
D3100.
D3100.
This is the Canon RF 50mm f1.8.
Yep.
So the RF, yep.
I called it.
The RF means it fits on the Canon EOS R bodies, the new mirrorless system. But it's small, it's light, it focuses quick, it's super sharp. My vision is that I use this more often to take my camera around, take photos of the kids, take photos of the stuff around me. So really excited about it. 50mm.
Sweet. So what I will share is this one we just shared in our team is we're really big on maximizing efficiency and minimizing clicks. So if you didn't know about this, there's a little thing off to the right side. Hopefully you're using Gmail. If you're using Microsoft for some reason, I'm sorry, but hopefully you can convince your company to move over to G Suite. So within Gmail, there's something over on the right that's called Add Ons. And Add Ons is one of my favorite things because what it allows me to do is not have to leave Gmail to get information. So as long as things live within the Google Suite and even some of the things outside the Google Suite, I can view them inside of Gmail. I don't have to like go open up a new tab and bounce tabs back and forth. So some of the things, if over on the right-hand side of Gmail and add-ons, I have my calendar. So I can very quickly, while I'm within Gmail, I could see my calendar. So if somebody emails me and says like, hey, can you meet at this time? I don't have to go open up a new tab and see what I got available and then bounce back to the email tab. It just slides over from the right and it'll show my calendar right there on the screen, which is really, really helpful. I also have access to Google Keep, which is a simple note-taking system. I have access to Google Task, and I can add all kinds of other things. You could add Dropbox, DocuSign, and a bunch of other stuff there in that add-on section. So within Gmail, it is called Add-ons, and it's a little just drawer that slides in from the right side of Gmail, and it has been awesome. And now I'm not bouncing around from tab to tab to tab. I'm just sliding it over, sliding it back. It's fantastic. So that's what I got for you. Hopefully you got a lot of value out of the show today. I want to thank you so much for tuning into this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See you guys next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.